Hello guys, I'm Vishesh from DigitalGenic.in, and in this video I'm going to tell you about remarketing or retargeting. In the previous video I have said you about conversions, micro conversion and macro conversion. In this video I'm going to tell you about what is remarketing. Remarketing is marketing of a product or a services again and again, that is called remarketing or retargeting. Now let's say a customer become a lead for your business, but till now he didn't become into a paying customer. So you can retarget them, giving them more ads, sending the ads to only them and giving more value to that part of customers. So this is called retargeting or remarketing. This was the last video of this series digital marketing process. I have covered 6 steps of digital marketing processes. In this series we have covered digital presence, web analytics, potential targeted customers, engagement, conversions and retargeting and remarketing. If you haven't seen the previous video, it will be somewhere around in this video. I'll be giving the link in the description and you can go and check the complete series. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and the series, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.